Our body needs a delicate acid-alkaline balance to maintain all biochemical process within our body. Do you know that your RO water or packaged drinking water bottle has acidic pH in water? That is why we present to you alkaline water bottle. The water bottle designed to give you the ultimate hydration experience. Water bottle makes your acidic water into alkaline water and adds essential minerals. How to use the bottle? Simply pour purified water in the bottle and shake it gently and leave it for 10 minutes and your alkaline water bottle is ready to drink. Benefits of alkaline water bottle. Alkaline water increases the pH of your water to restore balance in your body. Antioxidant water reduces the water's oxidation reduction potential, ORP, to protect against free radicals, allowing your tissues to rejuvenate. Enhanced hydration microclusters the water molecules so your cells and body hydrate more effectively. What makes this alkaline water bottle stand apart? Easy to use and portable solution to make alkaline water on the go. Includes specially designed diffuser. Each diffuser lasts up to 600 refills, up to 300 liters. 800 ml storage capacity. Ergonomic shape. Cost-effective solution compared with premium bottled water or alkaline water machines. Environment friendly, reduces plastic waste. Pure stainless steel food grade bottle. Preserves the crisp taste of your water. No harmful chemicals in SS bottle. How to change the filter? Screw the rod given with the bottle on the filter inside the bottle and gently pull the filter out. Similarly, screw the new filter and gently push back in the area provided inside the bottle. Changing the diffuser is so easy. But why do that when you can simply recharge it? All you have to do is use the inbuilt tool or rod to take out the diffuser bottle. Keep the diffuser in citric acid solution for 15 minutes and shake for 2 minutes. Place the diffuser back in the bottle and in no time, your alkaline bottle would be as good as new. Ready to transform tap water into healthy alkaline water. Alkaline water bottle. Designed to give you the ultimate hydration experience.